Hi folks, I'm going to do a quick demo of the new feature that we added today for a quick component for shifting the date forward or backward a day at a time or a week at a time. So for this project I've got 3 different feeds. I've got the general feed, which shows every task and every event associated with it, whether it's billable or not. Then the billable feed, which shows only the billable tasks and their associated events. So I can see that I have a total of 34 hours and 7 minutes billable time for this project. And then what I look at today is the summary feed, and this feed has an individual sub feed for each task. So I can see that for this project total I've got 5 hours and 29 minutes and 4 seconds for doors, 2 hours 13 minutes 52 seconds for hardware, and so on. What I want to demonstrate, what we've built, is this quick component for events that gives us the ability to shift the date forward and backward. So if I'm going to go ahead and pick the first day of March, and we'll say start the day at 4:48 in the morning. And I'm going to pick the 1st of March for the end date as well, but I'm going to say 7 p.m. 7:49 p.m. So basically it's going to include all of the events, and I could adjust those if that didn't include all the events, but it's going to include all the events of one day, March 1st. So I press the update button, update the feed, and I can see that on the 1st of March I didn't do work on doors, I didn't work on hardware or drywall, but I have 2 hours, 12 minutes, 41 seconds on flooring, 25 minutes and 46 seconds on cleaning, 3 hours and 41 minutes and 11 seconds on cabinets. And if I want to go in and look, I can see all of the events for cleaning, or all of the events for flooring. Okay, so now let's say I want to see the next day. So I'm going to say one day at a time, and I'm going to shift forward, so that changes everything one day. Press the update button, close the quick component menu. So on the 2nd of March I had 40 minutes and 36 seconds working on doors, 12 minutes and 42 seconds cleaning, 33 minutes and 44 seconds on cabinets. And so that's how the quick component shifts the date forward and backward, one day at a time or 1 week at a time. And yet I have the ability to, if I want to look at more than 1 day at a time or more than 1 week, if I'm looking at bi-weekly or 2 weeks, I can shift 2 weeks ahead by adjusting this number.